Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex over here. I just went to pick up my Outlander, my 2022 Outlander from the dealer. And they now did replace all the weather stripping. So basically what they're gonna be replacing is this weather stripping along the hood. So this right here, this right here, this right here, and of course this one right here. It seems to be generic, but it's new and it's thicker. They did give me whatever they took off, but basically that's all they did. They also adjusted the latch over here, so they made it a little bit tighter. And I still yet to drive a little bit to see how it goes. Not sure. It seems like they also replaced this one right here on the side, although not very sure. Yeah, maybe, because let's see. No, they did not replace the two on the side. They didn't replace that one or this one. So basically they're just gonna be replacing that U right here, that U right there. That's all they're gonna replace. Let me drive for a little bit and see if there's any changes to this thing. All right, so I'm back in the car. That's Velociraptor place, Wolf place, and we're gonna be testing to see if there's any difference on the hood. Probably gonna get about 55 miles an hour, but that's gonna be plenty according to before. Now I've been driving this for a little bit and I have noticed a little bit, I mean there's still a little bit of vibration, not that much, and I think most of it is gonna be because of the bumpiness of the road, and also because of whatever is happening over here since before. It is less noticeable, but it's still there. Hopefully on the 2023 models or later on they can come up with the actual solution, maybe replacing the little front grille assembly, like the front to have slots for air to pass through, and maybe that will help it a little more. I don't know, but right now, I mean, it is a whole lot better. It is not gonna be a permanent fix, I don't think, and that's just my take on this. Like I said, it's very little. I'm going about 56 miles an hour right now, and it's very little. So I think it's gonna be a whole lot better than before. They, like I said, like I showed you at the beginning of the video, they did change the weather stripping. It is way thicker now, but I don't think that's gonna be the permanent solution for this thing. Hopefully they'll actually come up with a better solution and not let this be it, because like I said, this is not gonna be, this did not solve the whole problem, and I'm hoping that Mitsubishi is aware of this and that eventually they actually come up with a better solution. Hope this video helps. Other than that, that's gonna be it for this one. If you want to support the channel, there's a link in the description. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. That's it for today, and I'll see you on the trail. Goodbye.